So you know that you're here because you've probably already tried many hacks that you've seen online to try to increase your productivity, and basically none of them work. I'm here to help you, and in 5 minutes, I guarantee that if you just follow the very quick steps that I'm going to be showing here in this video, you'll be able to increase your productivity by at least 90%, especially when you're working online, doing school projects, work projects, and similar things. The first thing that I wanted to tell you is for you to not worry if, for example, you've already failed at any point trying to get better, improving your habits, because the apps that we use nowadays, the websites that we access, are engineered just so that we are basically not able to escape them, so that the companies behind them can maximize their ad revenue. Don't feel guilty at all about it. It's part of the process to understand that we somewhat are victims of the situation, but one way or the other, there are habits that we can do so that our environment helps us break out of this loophole that we're in. So what we're going to do is you're going to open your browser and you're going to go to the extensions and manage extensions. Then once you're there, I want you to search for the first extension that we're going to use, called Unhook. And what this does is basically it is going to go on your YouTube. You're going to install it. So let me just remove it very quickly. You can just come here, Unhook extension. Then you go to the Chrome Web Store and you're going to add it to your Chrome. Once you're there, you're going to be able to pin it. So you just come here, you pin it so that it always shows here. And now you can open YouTube. And now the good thing is that you are going to be able to customize your YouTube homepage. So what you see here is that you have a bunch of options like hide the home feed, hide video sidebar, and so on and so forth, including, for example, hiding shorts. And the good part about that is that you can literally customize your YouTube so that you don't have any problems when using it. One of the most annoying things when you're using the platform is, for example, when you go to, let's say, this video here, and then at the same time you have the video playing on one side, on the other side you have all of these other things that are generally not that interesting. They are just trying to get your attention. You have the comments, so you don't actually pay attention to the thing that you're watching, which is horrible because it messes up your attention span. So by having this extension, you can come here. I have like it predefined, so it basically just takes most things off, but you can also just toggle the video sidebar, for example. You can hide recommended only. If you're watching a live, you can just hide the chat. I just like to take it basically all off. You can also hide the comments and things like that. I literally just like to hide basically everything off except for the top header, so that you're really able to focus on whatever you want. By consequence, you can also block shorts. I don't know how accurate this feature is. I have another extension that I use to block shorts, but one way or the other is a good way to get rid of things that you don't like. That's the first one. The second one, super simple, is called Website Blocker. You also can just search it online. I think the one that I'm using is the second one here. Yeah, this one. In this case, I already have it installed. So you can just click here to add it to your Chrome. Then you just come here. You can add any website and it will automatically block it for you. It's another good way for you, especially if you're struggling to quit, let's say, social media, or if you keep visiting a specific website that keeps taking your focus away from work, for example. You can just come here and put on your work status, and now out of a sudden, all of these websites are prohibited. For example, if I want to access my LinkedIn, it just completely blocks it. So that's perfect, and you will be able to just focus on whatever you want to do. Now we'll go to the third one, which is one of my favorites. It's basically called NewsFeed Eradicator. Again, you can just find it online. On the Chrome Web Store. All of these are completely free. And now let me give you an example. If I for some reason go to Instagram, let me just make it available first. And then even if for some reason I decide to open any social media, I can just come here and this will automatically block the things that I have. I think just by having this quote on your head when you're trying to access it the first time, you are able to basically regain the focus of what you were trying to do and understand that most of the times we just open these things because they're kind of hooked into our brain and not because we really want anything out of it. That's going to be it for the video. Again, all of these extensions are 100% free. You can do that in under 5 minutes. I just took maybe a little bit more time to explain it, how it works to you, and I guarantee that if you install these, you will have a much better life and you'll be able to do the things that you generally like, which is spending time doing things that you enjoy. It's going to be it for today, and I will come back soon with more updates. That's it for now. See you.